Hi, and welcome to the VPN Club YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a VPN on PC. It doesn't matter if you use Windows 10, Windows 11, or another version, this video will help you understand how to use a VPN on PC. So, why use a VPN? There are many reasons why you might want to use a VPN to be able to bypass geographic restrictions, for example. With a VPN, you will indeed be able to access websites and apps that are blocked in your country. You will also be able to increase your anonymity when browsing and downloading, as well as protect your privacy, a must if you use a public Wi-Fi connection. A VPN can also help you avoid bandwidth throttling and even improve your online gaming experience. So, quite a lot of reasons. Before I tell you how to use a VPN on PC, I invite you to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification button if you enjoy our content. This will mean a lot to us and help us create even more useful content. So, how to use a VPN on PC? I'm going to show you how to use a VPN on PC using ExpressVPN, as it's my favorite VPN, but it's exactly the same principle if you use another VPN. Most VPNs provide their users with a Windows app that you can install and use on your operating system. ExpressVPN is a well-established VPN provider with over 3,000 servers in 94 countries. It's a safe, reliable and fast VPN, available on Windows of course. Please note that it is also available on Android and iOS. There are even extensions for Chrome and Firefox. Great speeds, no bandwidth limit, a zero-log policy, that's pretty much everything you're looking for in a VPN. If you don't already have a VPN, I highly recommend that you give ExpressVPN a try. To sign up, visit vpn-club.com/express to take advantage of a 49% discount and 3 months free. ExpressVPN offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, so it's absolutely risk-free for you. Alright, let's get started. So, after signing up to ExpressVPN, you will be able to download their Windows app. You can download it from this page, and then install it. Once you've downloaded and installed the app, you will be asked to enter the code you received after signing up. Please note that this process is specific to ExpressVPN and may be different for you depending on the VPN you have. Here is the app. First, I will show you how to connect to a server. To do so, simply click here. You can either choose between these few recommended locations or access all locations by clicking here. There are a lot of countries: the US, Canada, the UK, Australia, Germany, France, Spain, Italy, Japan, just to name a few. These are all countries from which you can simulate a connection. Simply select a location. ExpressVPN will then establish a connection to the fastest server available in this specific location. As you can see here, I'm located in Nice, France. Let's use one of the recommended locations, the US for example. I double click. It's connecting. It only takes a few seconds. Done! I'm now connected to the internet virtually from the US. Let's refresh this page. And as you can see, my IP address has been replaced with the IP address of the VPN server located in Washington. For some countries, including the US, but also the UK, Canada, Australia, Germany and France, you can select a specific city. For example, in the US, Washington, Los Angeles, New York and so on. I can now browse the web and download privately, as well as access websites and apps that are blocked in my country. You don't need to keep your VPN app open like this at all times. In the case of ExpressVPN, you can minimize the app and even close it. As you can read here, ExpressVPN will stay connected in the background. Here we don't see the app anymore, but the VPN is still active. It will remain active until I press this button. Once you don't need to use a VPN anymore, you may deactivate it by pressing this button. You can run a speed test from here. This is very useful if you want to know which location to use to have the best ping or the fastest download speed, for example. Please note that not all VPNs come with this feature. Let's talk about options. You can access them by clicking here. There are general options, including a kill switch, which they call network lock. A kill switch is an option that automatically cuts off your internet connection when your VPN connection stops working. This is to make sure that your personal data is not accidentally compromised and that you keep your confidentiality no matter what. Highly recommended for torrenting. There is also a split tunneling option, which allows you to limit the VPN connection to specific applications. Quite a few different protocols, including OpenVPN of course, but also Lightway, which is a protocol developed by ExpressVPN, optimized for speed and security. You have the ability to create shortcuts here, to launch apps or websites from the ExpressVPN interface. You can download the Chrome and Firefox extensions from here. Finally, advanced options, including an IPv6 leak protection and a DNS leak protection. You can even perform a DNS leak test on their website. So, quite a few useful options. These options are specific to ExpressVPN. If you use a different VPN, you might find different options. Make sure you take a look at them so you know what options you have access to. Whatever you want to do, make sure you establish a VPN connection first. For example, if you want to visit a website that you know is blocked in your country, start the app, connect to a server, and then start your web browser and go to that website. Same principle for apps, games, and so on. That's how you can use a VPN on PC. As you can see, there is nothing complicated to do. If you don't have a VPN, I highly recommend that you give ExpressVPN a try. For us, ExpressVPN is the best VPN. It's a premium VPN, which means it's not free, but it will outperform any free VPN out there and all other premium VPNs. As mentioned before, ExpressVPN is a safe, reliable and fast VPN with more than 3,000 servers in 94 countries, fast speeds, no bandwidth limit, a zero-log policy, 24/7 customer support, up to 5 simultaneous connections. If you would like to give ExpressVPN a try, visit vpn-club.com/express or click on the link located in the description under this video to take advantage of a 49% discount and 3 months free. ExpressVPN is simply the best VPN your money can buy. Remember, they have a 30-day money-back guarantee, so it's absolutely risk-free for you. Another great VPN for PC is CyberGhost VPN. CyberGhost is another high-quality VPN with over 7,600 servers in 91 countries, as you can see here. Let's give it a try. I turn ExpressVPN off. I select a country in CyberGhost, the UK for example. As you can see, there are plenty of countries available. I press this button. It's connecting. It only takes a few seconds. Done! I'm now connected to the internet virtually from the UK. Let's refresh this page. And as you can see, the IP address has changed. The new IP address locates me in the UK. Just like ExpressVPN, CyberGhost is available on Windows and many other operating systems. You can use it on up to 7 devices simultaneously. Very effective to bypass geographic restrictions as well. So, if ExpressVPN is a bit too expensive for you, I recommend that you get CyberGhost instead, as it is more affordable. To sign up, visit vpn-club.com/cyber or click on the link located in the description under this video. With our link, you will take advantage of an 82% discount and 3 months free, so just $2.29 per month for the 3-year plan. Great value for money. Please note that CyberGhost offers a 45-day money-back guarantee, which is more than most other VPN providers. Alright, that's all for today. Now you know how to use a VPN on PC. As you saw, it's very easy. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them below, and I will answer them as soon as possible. If you like this video, if you found it useful, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notifications button. Thanks and see you next time.